Welcome to News Now Alberta. I'm Special Ed. We are looking at another channel today called News Now Victoria and how he got unlawfully arrested, and these officers gave him 4 charges just for filming from a public place. Talk about police overreach.
You're not going to provide your identification?
Do I have
your
to?
name?
Do I have to?
I just asked you to.
What legal obligation am I? What?
Right now, sir, you're under investigation for mischief and public mischief and causing a disturbance, and I'm asking you now to provide your name and date of birth, okay?
Yeah.
And if you choose not to do that, then yes, I will be arresting you for
Okay.
obstruction.
Well, I can't give you that because,
Because why?
well, in this day and age, when people that work for government agencies misuse people's personal private information.
So right now, you're under arrest for obstruction.
Okay.
Okay?
All News Now Victoria was doing is filming a police station from public property, something that is protected in the Canadian Charter of Rights. These pigs basically used the excuse that with everything happening in the world today, we have the right to get your name. Unless there is evidence that you have committed a crime, they have no right to get your name or arrest you for refusing to give your name. Forcing you to do so is a violation of your civil rights, and the cops can be sued. Here they seized his filming equipment for more than 2 years. The first thing to do is to make a complaint against the officers involved. That usually leads to nothing because the cops investigate the cops and that Blue Line gang cover their own.
Hello, good citizens. My name is Dan. I'm here at the West Shore Communities Courthouse. I'm about to submit information for a private prosecution. And on July 25th, 2018, I was arrested outside of the West Shore RCMP detachment for taking photographs, video, and film from a public sidewalk, from public property. When the police came out, they immediately demanded my ID. And they said that if I didn't provide my ID, I would be arrested for public mischief, which that charge doesn't even apply. And so as I was on public property and I wasn't breaking any laws, I declined to provide my ID. And I was subsequently arrested and had my cell phone and 4 cameras confiscated. As a result of that, and for why I'm here today, I'm here to press criminal charges against the watch commander, the West Shore RCMP. His name is Aaron Kundu Thompson. I might be pronouncing that wrong, but so be it. And count 1 is mischief. Count 2 is extortion. And count 3 is criminal harassment. So I'm just about to head inside and have my paperwork sworn in and signed by myself and a justice of the peace, and this private prosecution will proceed. Now, this isn't the first time I've done this. If you watch my videos on a regular basis, you'll know that I've done this before when the police break the law. And typically what happens is the Crown prosecutors find some sort of excuse to drop the charges before it even gets before a judge. And even though I haven't submitted the paperwork yet, I'm going to go ahead and make that prediction right here and now. So I'm just about to head inside. My good friend Bruce Dean is going to wait outside for me here. You're not allowed to bring cameras in, so we're not going to be recording any of that. And here we go. Yeah. Woo! Alrighty. So we just submitted the informations for private prosecution for the watch commander at West Shore RCMP. His name is Aaron Kundu Thompson. And I've just submitted and sworn and signed this information for a private prosecution for count 1 mischief, count 2 extortion, and count 3 criminal harassment. And I do have the paperwork. This is an application to a judge, and I now have a court date to return and fix a date for a process hearing as per the Criminal Code of Canada.
The next logical step when they find they did nothing wrong, which is usually what happens, even though it is on video and you can't unsee the injustice here, then you sue. Now, I'm not certain how it works in BC, but here in Alberta, There is a way to sue up to $100,000 without a lawyer, and the filing of the paperwork is relatively cheap.
Hello, good citizens. My name is Dan. Today is Friday, January 18th, and we're here today at the West Shore Communities Courthouse to file a lawsuit for a false arrest from the West Shore RCMP. The watch commander, Aaron Kundu Thompson, falsely arrested me on July 25th, 2018, and we're here today to file the lawsuit. And we're just about to go inside. We can't bring cameras inside, so we're just gonna go ahead, file it, and then we'll do a quick follow-up after it's been filed. Hello, good citizens, it's me again, and just filed the lawsuit. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to hang on to the lawsuit for now. We're not going to serve it because the criminal matter is still pending, and there's a criminal trial scheduled for September 11th, 2019. So we're either going to go to trial or we're not going to go to trial. If we don't go to trial, I'll be serving this relatively soon. If we do go to trial, I'll be serving this after the trial, after the criminal matter has concluded, and then the defendants will be served.
Make sure you see the 9-part series he has on this subject. I will put a link to his page in the description. Make sure to tell him that News Now Alberta sent you. Film the police because this can happen to you. Please visit the Victoria Police Facebook page and comment about what you have seen, or reach out to them and let them know how disgusted you are with this. Please share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what you think of this. Were the pigs justified in this arrest? Thank you for watching.